Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new 3-bedroom listing for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3901 Bighorn Drive. This one was just listed for $390 in a nice top of town neighborhood on the east side of McCulloch, so it's super quiet up here, close to the desert. This one does sit on a pretty big lot, 11,326 square feet. So there's side access on both sides of the house. It looks like you can get something in back in there too. So you can see the property line here at the water boxes. You already have the wall and then a ton of side parking. You could probably even add a big RV garage at some point. Nice walled front entry courtyard. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1994, 1,298 square feet. I'm sorry, 1,289 square feet. All tile floors, open living area, split floor plan, vaulted ceiling. So you have a slider out to the backyard. Again, this one was just listed for $390. So you have a front kitchen. It's kind of like the galley style, laminate counters. Could be nice if you put some granite on there or something. Stainless appliances. You do have a white dishwasher. All right, let's check out the master. So you have the master at the rear of the house, slider out to the backyard. Your master bath has a granite top with dual sinks. Your walk-in closet. Shower and a toilet have their own door. So you have your other 2 bedrooms and a guest bath on the other side of the house. So you have guest bedroom number 1 at the front of the house, has laminate floors. And then you have the second guest bedroom at the rear of the house, same laminate floors. Use it as a little TV room. So back off the kitchen, you have your indoor laundry. There's a pantry and then your access to the garage. So you have your 2-car garage that is 23 feet and a 31-foot boat deep bay. Standard 7-foot door. You also have a utility sink, your soft water loop, hot water tank. So you have a nice covered patio. Again, this one sits on a pretty big lot, so there's room for a pool. So the wall's already in, which is a big cost if you did want to put a pool in, and you do have the side access that you could make into something as well. The roof looks decent. It does terrace up here, but you could dig all this out, make this yard into something pretty nice at some point. Also looks like the wall is in the easement for the other people, but you could definitely take advantage of that. You just have to measure from your property line if you do ever put a pool in. So you have your side access that's gated, super wide. You can get tons of stuff back here, and it goes all the way to the back. So again, you could probably dig that out and make it even deeper. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video of the walkthrough over here on Bighorn. Again, this one was just listed for $390. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.